Hi, this is Anupam and I am the curator and founder at Magis Designs. And we are into the manufacturing and designing of customized leather furniture. After completing my master's from Australia, I came back to India. And since designing has always been my passion, so that's why Magis Designs came into existence. It's very chaotic, when we are there in the factory. We have to manage a lot of things there. सब कुछ खत्म होने दिन खत्म होने के बाद, me and my family, we go for swimming. It's been almost 2 months since we have Hyundai Alcazar. The reason me being by Alcazar is the design language.
I was always looking for something which is spacious as well as comfortable, and Alcazar is something which had both.
360-degree camera, I think that's the best feature, in Alcazar.
Till now, we have only enjoyed the smaller trips, but soon we are planning to go for a long family vacation to Ayodhya.
And since we are in Rajasthan, where the temperature can really go up to 45 degrees and more, so a ventilated seat is a blessing. I would also like to add the Bose premium speakers. The sound is absolutely great. So Hyundai Alcazar is part of our family because we love traveling together. And whether it is
Hyundai Alcazar.
That's how Hyundai Alcazar has enhanced our quality time.